Hey everyone, here's a recap of the Midjourney office hours from July 16th. They're working on a start and end frame feature for video, as well as looping. They're working on a higher resolution mode for video, and working on an upscaler, but that will take a while. They have two main concepts for a style explorer, but they aren't sure which direction to go in. And David said they're working on a way for us to explore videos made by the community. They're still working on version 8 as well. He said they're trying to create something that is at least partially compatible with version 7, which means if they get lucky, they might be able to release a 7.1. They're still having discussions with potential partners because they might need help with training a mega model. David said they're also collecting data for a better Omni reference feature, and they're starting to investigate what hosting an API would look like. They actually posted an application if you want to check it out. It's like a mini survey kind of thing. They're just trying to understand what people would want from a potential API. He said their secret projects are making progress, and we should see some more storytelling experiments someday soon. I don't know if that means 2 weeks or 2 months, so don't get too excited. Lastly, he mentioned they're working on some sort of proper recommendation feature. He said it was like to help you find what other people are creating. I guess that's an improved search function. I don't really know. If you like the art in this video, here is the prompt. It is my VHS VFX mood board. Use this code in your prompt, --P PNO OG4G. All of these videos were made by members of my community, the Future Tech Academy. I think you should check us out. The link is in the description below. There's your recap of the Midjourney office hours. I hope you're doing well, take care, and I'll see you next time.